4K a day.
Keep the doctor away.
You go ahead.
What is up, guys? Today we're at Pocono Raceway at Stacked Motorsports Festival, and we are going drifting again. Kind of a last-minute decision. Yeah, but Pat's Tech gonna be getting out. I don't even know what time it is right now. About an hour or so. Gonna start running on the track, so that's cool. The boys are all here, but they're not here at the moment. They're getting food. Look at it! I got a fire extinguisher.
Sand. Land.
Land sand.
Land ho. Sand ho.
Yeah. Batch.
Look at that Vortec engine.
I love it. That's why there's no hood.
Yeah. Sick. Like Mama Bird. Only Mama Bird.
That's Mama Bird. Nick drinks beer. There's Mama Bird.
I told him that.
Oh, he goes, call me Mama Bird. So
They're asking me if I want burgers and shit over there.
Nick, since you're using the vape so much, go in the fucking camper.
Alright, I will.
Get the
Swap the batteries, get the wieners and juices.
I want to tell you why he's called Mama Bird. Because they asked me for burgers and shit, so I said, no, I'm good. Jared's making hot dogs. He goes, oh, you want my burger? You already bit it. I'm like, oh, yeah, definitely. He's like, oh, want my burger? I'm like, yeah, definitely. He's called me Mama Bird.
You said that?
Yeah.
Oh. Ew.
It was weird. It was cool. I like it.
It's disgusting.
Drifting is awesome. Well, it's going pretty good so far. The rest of the guys went to grab some beer because we ran out. I'm sitting in the Jer Inn, the camper truck, and I'm going back on the track in about 10 minutes or so. My car is actually running pretty well today, which is surprising to me. Every event it breaks, and so far it's been doing pretty good, knock on wood. But yeah, definitely going to be a lot of content for this video and future videos probably. But this is the first Stacked Motorsports event, and it's pretty neat so far. We're in the skid pad area right now, which is basically the parking lot on the outside of Pocono Raceway. So later on we'll probably be going in there. It's really neat. There's car show, there's famous people, and burnout contests, more drifting, grip racing. It's cool. So Chris Fix is actually a couple vehicles away. He's a really cool dude. He's giving ride-alongs in his drift car for charity, $10 a ride. That's pretty cool. But yeah, I'm probably up soon, so see you guys in the car. I got to help Chris fix his car. I gave him some coil packs, and he's super grateful. So we're gonna be getting some pictures of our cars together tomorrow, which is kind of cool. I'm a big fan of his, so I went over to talk to him. He hooked me up with a signed little thingy, so that's cool. Another long day of drifting ahead of me tomorrow, so I'm gonna charge all my batteries up, get some footage. My car didn't break, believe it or not. It did not break. It actually performed better than it's ever has, so didn't blow the rat out again. It didn't blow head gaskets. I did blow up some tires, but that's known. That's gonna happen. But yeah, so we'll be in for the night now. I'm definitely gonna be documenting tonight. This is gonna be a wild night, 100% wild. Oh yeah, and so he also gave me his coil pack out of his car, so that's kind of cool. So now I'm just gonna eat some kettle-cooked popcorn, drink some beer, and hang out. I'll catch you guys in a little bit.
I definitely know. We're going down. I'm over here, buddy. You lose your toes, my guy. Yeah. No. You come by me, bro. No. You're good. Look at this quality job. This Line-X job done by my good friend Alan here.
There he is.
How are you?
Hey. And I paid full price, and she's registered with the VIN number and everything. She's warranted.
Yes, she is. You have an issue, you bring it back, and we do it after hours.
Hello. Say hi.
Hello! Something in my eye.
Hello, Governor.
Nick shot something in my eye last night.
Nick is very hungover.
Nick drinks beer all day.
Nick drinks beer. He's back.
Yeah.
It's snowing outside.
It's snowing.
It's cold, and we are drafting today.
And my camera's gonna die soon.
Oh,
shit.
Well, thanks for coming.
Thanks for coming. Bye. They're letting me drive today again, so that's cool. Oh, get that away! You gotta get that out of here, dude. I almost grabbed it. So,
Land ho, motherfucker.
Achoo! Yeah.
Hey, hey, hey. Why is such a sad song in the morning?
Huh?
Your hair is sticking out.
Yeah, I know. It's a goddamn nightmare.
Alright, we finished the day out nice and strong. Everything's getting packed up now. We are going to be going home, and then I got to edit this video, so I actually got to take some pictures with Chris Fix and stuff, so. But yeah, all in all, Stacked Motorsports Festival was awesome. Can't wait to come back next year.
At World's End, we're out, baby. Peace!